Hey guys, today we're going to talk about syllables. Now, what is a syllable? A syllable is a word or a part of a word that has one single vowel sound. One vowel sound. Every syllable has to have one vowel sound, okay? And we learn this because it helps us decode or read words. So today we're going to talk about closed syllables. And closed syllables are syllables where the vowel sound has a consonant behind it, right? It doesn't matter if there's a consonant in front or not. What matters is if there's a consonant behind it. And so now N is behind A. And so our vowel is a closed syllable. The door is closed. We close the door by putting another letter there. If the door were open, he would say something different. But since the door is closed, he says his short sound. And the short sound for A is ah, ah. So now we know how to read this word. This word is an. Do that again. An. Now, say it fast. An. Correct. This word is an. Very good. This is a closed syllable, and it's also its own word, isn't it? An is its own word. Good job. Let's try another one. All right, here's our vowel sound, but we don't know what it says yet because we haven't put our other letters in yet. Okay, we know that this is a closed syllable because there is a consonant behind the vowel. Because the consonant is blocking the E, he can't say his name. Sometimes they call this a bossy consonant, right? He's like, you can't say your name. That means you have to say your short sound. And what's the short sound for E? Eh, eh. So let's tap and stretch our sounds together, okay? Beg. Let's do that again. Beg. Good. Now let's say it fast. Beg. Say it fast. Beg. Yes, this is the word beg, like you're going to ask for something. And the reason we know that E says eh is that it is a closed syllable because there is a consonant behind it. All right, let's try another one. Okay, we know that our vowel is the letter I, right? We look at our vowel first. Our vowel is I, and we can see that there's a consonant behind the vowel. So that means that this vowel is a closed syllable, and the vowel is going to say its short sound. Because the door is closed, it cannot say its name. It has to say its short sound. Are you ready to sound it out? It has to say its short sound. The short sound for I is I. So let's sound it out. Ready? Sip. Good. Let's do that again. Sip. Good. Say it fast. Sip. Say it fast. Sip. Yes, I would like a sip of tea. Thank you. All right, let's try another one. Okay, now we see we have one single vowel sound, and we also see that it's closed. It's a closed syllable. This vowel has to say its short sound because the door is closed. It's not allowed to say its name. It has to say its short sound, okay? So the short sound for the letter O is ah. Just open your mouth and say ah. Are you ready? Let's sound this out. Mom. Sound it out again. Mom. Say it fast. Mom. Say it fast. Mom. Yeah, this is the word mom. We know this word. All right, let's try another one. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at our vowel. We see that this is one vowel sound in this syllable, which also is a word. And we need to know what this vowel says. It looks like it's a closed syllable because the G is closing the door. U cannot say its name. It has to say its short sound. And the short sound for U is Correct. All right, let's go ahead and sound out this word. Ready? Bug. Good, let's do that again. Bug. Good, now let's say it fast. Bug. Good, do it again. Bug. Yes, this is the word bug. Very good. Let's do one more. Okay, so we need to identify our vowel, and it is right there. It is the letter I. It is one vowel sound, so this is one syllable or one word, right? This is a one syllable word. Now it does have two letters behind it, doesn't it? Yeah, but it's still got a closed door. So if the door was open, it would make one sound, but the door is closed, so it's a closed syllable. So that means that our vowel says its short sound, and the short sound for I is I. Let's sound out this word together. With. Good, let's do it again. With. Good, let's say it fast. With. Say it fast. With. Yes, that's the word with. And as you can see, it is a closed syllable because the door is shut. The vowel has to say its short sound. Good job today with closed syllables.
Remember to grab your freebie. It's in the description. Remember to grab your freebie. It's in the description.